Calf raise, seated, barbell. If you want to build stronger, more resilient ankles and thicker calves, the seated barbell calf raise is a staple. For men in midlife, this exercise helps to improve ankle flexibility and strength, supporting movements like squats, lunges, running, and jumping. To perform the bilateral seated calf raise, you'll need an elevated surface to sit on and an elevated surface to place both feet on. The seat you sit on should place the hips above the vertical line of the knees when the ankles are dorsiflexed. In this video, I've increased the height of the bench by adding a 20 kilo weight plate. The elevated surface you place your feet on must be high enough that your heels do not touch the floor at the bottom of the movement. When you sit on the seat, place both feet on the edge of the elevated surface. You want the knees bent roughly 90 degrees when the thighs are parallel to the floor. The distance between your seat and the elevated surface you place the feet on will determine the knee angle. You can load this exercise with a barbell, dumbbells, or weight plates. When using a barbell, I recommend using a bar pad or wrapping a towel around the bar for comfort. Position the weight on top of the thighs, just above the knees. Place the balls of your feet on the edge of the elevated surface. Keep your feet about hip width apart and distribute the pressure evenly across the big toe knuckle and the little toe knuckle. To begin, drop both heels down towards the floor as far as possible. Actively pull yourself into deeper dorsiflexion by contracting the tibialis anterior, the muscles on the front of the shins. Think about pulling your toes up towards your knees. Pausing at the bottom for 2 to 3 seconds can help build ankle dorsiflexion flexibility. From here, press the balls of both feet down into the elevated surface and contract the calves hard to plantar flex the ankles, lifting the weight as high as possible. Focus on pushing evenly through the entire forefoot to avoid rolling in or out. Once you've reached the top, control the descent and lower the heels slowly back down towards the floor. The calves are predominantly slow twitch muscle fibres, which means they respond well to higher repetitions and longer time under tension. Aim for sets that last longer than 40 seconds. This bilateral seated calf raise can be performed for controlled repetitions, long isometric holds, or a combination of the two. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.